this. We're going to whisper read it together. The second one, bad one, right? So as you do, let's whisper read it. Okay? So keep in mind that's what we're going, and it'll be up there if you're wondering. Okay? As you can see, we all have a whiteboard and a marker in front of us and an eraser. Okay? So we're going to get an opportunity as we go through today to do a couple turn and talks, okay? And a couple think, compare, and share. And we're going to get to use our whiteboards, okay? And then I may ask to see your answers once in a while as well. Cool? So remember, when we do this type of activity and math workshops and reading workshops, how should the sound level be? Whisper talk. Very good. And what kind of talk should I be hearing only? Math talk. Awesome. You guys got it. Okay. First, we're going to start with a little video, and I got some questions for you guys, okay? And this will kind of get us focused, reviewed, and ready to go for this lesson. Sound good? Okay. And here's our buddy. Now I have it on mute because I'm just going to talk with you guys on it. Here is our word problem. Raise your hand if you remember as we started working with two-step word problems. Two-step word problems, right? Richard has 2 cartons with 6 eggs in each. Okay? As he opens the cartons, he drops 2 eggs. How many unbroken eggs does Richard have left? So, before we solve, we're not solving yet. We're going to do a quick review of finding the important information, right? Right? Like we review our size checks. So, our first question. How many eggs does Richard start with? Look back to your problem. Look back to the sentence and read it. How many eggs does Richard start with? You have 3 choices. 2 cartons with 6 eggs in each. 6 eggs. 2 eggs. Okay. Now, wait, hands up. Raise your hand if you think he starts with 2 cartons with 6 eggs in each. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Raise your hand if you think he starts with 6 eggs. Raise your hand if he starts with 2 eggs. Okay, I got the most answers for the first one. Okay? Raise your hand if you're not quite sure. Okay, very cool. We're going to go with this one. Let's see. You guys ready? Yeah. Ready? Good? Yeah. All right, here we go. Bam! Got it. Someone raise their hand and tell me how they do that. How did you know that? How did you know that? Mr. Jacoby, how did you know that?